right, so hello, my happy trailers. We're gonna do an edible review. Excuse my crazy hair. Okay, I had a phone call. Was it even recording? Anyways, hey, happy trailers. So today, I know, excuse my hair, my messy hair. If the recording, if I didn't, I'm not sure if it was still recording from earlier. But anyways, the video of today is going to be an edible review of the Kiva Caminos gummies, the pineapple habanero. I opened it up, but I wanted to try it on camera with you guys for the first time. Hold on, you guys. Actually, just go like this. Try it for the first time. I know this is pineapple. I know this is habanero. Like, ooh, habanero might be spicy. We're gonna see. It doesn't look spicy. No little chili flakes or anything in there. Okay, pretty good. Whoa. The habanero just kicked in. Okay. These are spicy. It does burn your tongue a little bit. Just a little. It does burn your tongue. That was my second one. Third one. Okay. The heat does develop with more and more to eat at one time. Like I just ate 3 before. The heat builds up the more you put in your mouth. Yeah, it's hot, it's spicy. It's spicy. These are spicy. They are 100 milligrams for the whole bag, or 5 milligrams for each little piece that you eat. And they are spicy. If you don't like spicy, don't get these. If you don't like spicy, you can't eat spicy, do not get these. It does have some fire to it. It really does. I'll be back in 2 hours to let you guys know how I feel. So hold on, hang tight. Okay, guys, it's been like 2 hours. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what I did. I ate the whole pack of Caminos. After I ate those, I ate like around 5. After I ate the whole pack, I was like, I want to smoke a blunt. So I rolled a blunt. This blunt, I really don't get high off the bud. It was like a 16% THC. Long story short, it was like around 5:15 when I ate the gummies. I smoked it like around 6 o'clock. And when I smoked it, I got really high off that blunt. I was like, oh shit. Then I forgot that I ate the gummies. And then like around 7:30, wait, right now is, yeah, like around, it was like 7:30 when I checked the clock. It's a little later now, but I'm high as fuck. And I feel like it's kind of a little bit intensifying a little bit. I don't know if the blunt made the edible more like amplified, but I didn't feel this high when I ate the other Caminos. It's pretty hot. Sorry, I didn't feel this high when I ate the other Caminos, which were the apricot that are about to get discontinued soon. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my bun. I'm looking here. I'm sorry, but yeah, I feel really good. I feel really high. I don't know sorry. I don't know if it's because I smoked that blunt that made me extra higher, or it's the Caminos itself. I know I should have smoked that blunt, but I figured that my high would have been down by now if it was the weed. Like, my high would have been already like dead and gone. So I don't think that Oh, sorry, someone's coming that I know. Talk to you guys later. Okay, dude, the freaking sun went down pretty quick. So, long story short, these are a sativa. Those gummies, the pineapple habanero, it's a sativa. It is a head high, for sure. And it got me pretty high, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I know that blunt didn't, I mean, the blunt did get me high, but not this high, because the blunt high, marijuana high went down already, I'm sure. Right now it's about almost 8, and I'm still like high. Not like to the point where I'm like, oh my god, I'm so fucking high, like so stoned. No, it's like a cool, mellow, good little buzz high. Like more than a buzz. It's a head high. It's a sativa. I just want to let you guys know that. And the flavor is good, but it's spicy. And I hope this video could help someone out. Peace out, toodles, and happy trails to all my happy trailers and all the people that are watching. Bye.